Okay, we are here in the intentional calendar template. We are going to start designing your day. And as I mentioned, we're going to begin working on those personal time blocks first. And this is simply an example to help illustrate how you will do this for your own business. And I'm just going to walk you through this. So let's just say, in this particular example, our entrepreneur has said, listen, it's really important for me to get to the gym. I want to do that. And let's say that she knows if she doesn't do this first thing in the morning, it ain't gonna happen. So she knows that she needs to get up and get to the gym and be there at 6 a.m. Monday through Friday. Awesome. She's gonna plug that into the calendar. And then, of course, logically, she says, gosh, yeah, then I gotta get ready. So cool. That's 7 to 8, and she goes ahead and blocks that in. Now, we're gonna stick with Monday through Friday for now, and we'll just walk down the sheet. Let's say in her world, her work hours look like 8 to 6. So for now, she's just going to leave that open. And we're just going to come down to the bottom when, let's say, work day's over and she starts thinking about, like, hey, how am I going to use the rest of my evening? So maybe for her, the hour of 6 to 7, she just wants to keep us free time. She's not entirely sure there's an activity. Maybe some days it's running errands. But she has already identified on Wednesday and Thursday, and this, of course, looks a little like work, a networking event. Okay, cool. Now, after that, pretty consistently through the rest of the week, she wants to eat dinner around 7. She has a big block of time for family, and then she wants to be in bed by 10 o'clock. Awesome. Now, you note that in her example, she's left a big block of unscheduled time on this Friday in the evening. Now, in this case, let's just assume she says, listen, I want to leave it unscheduled because, like, I want to go hang out. I want to spend time with my friends or my family or go out, whatever. That's cool. Leave it unscheduled. And this is the thing I really encourage you is to exercise your own judgment and your own discretion. How much of this do you need to schedule, and what parts will feel really good to you to not have something there that you're kind of committing to? Leaving open space is really important and really freeing. Now, on the weekends, you'll note in her example, she has lots of unscheduled time. But there are a few things that she's mapped in personally here in pink. One, gym. She wants to go on Saturdays, but wants to go a little later in the morning. And then on Sunday, she has this grocery and meal prep block. Cool. And maybe in her world, there's some Sunday family time that they do, and that's just consistent. Awesome. She's got that in the block. And then when she gets to her Sunday night, she kind of falls back into this rhythm again of dinner, family time, bedtime. Okay, cool. So you are going to do this for your own life and start looking at the activities that you filled out on personal activities, and you're going to create your own calendar. And you'll use this template to do that. Now you'll note here, I've expanded the template to include 5 a.m. hour, and it goes all the way until midnight. But of course, if you're sleeping during some of these hours, you can delete whatever you don't need. Or if you get up at 4 a.m., by all means, add those hours in. Now, I'm going to pop back because I just want to share a few thoughts with you as you start to build your own intentional calendar.